Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to do the Kite AI Testnet Airdrop completely step by step. Every single thing that you need to know about Kite AI Testnet Airdrop, I'll be showing them in this video. In addition to that, I'm also going to show you how you can be able to connect with the airdrop completely, how you can be able to engage with the Kite AI Testnet Explorer, as well as how you can be able to claim Faucet, that's funds that you can be able to use to interact with the system in order to farm more points, and what you should be able to do every single time so that you can be able to get more points for the airdrop. So without further ado, my name is Odis Profits. I make content about crypto tech as well as finance, and if you are new here, you can be able to subscribe to my channel, like this video, as well as share it. Also, I have a Telegram channel, a community where I be able to share my insights, as well as a growing community with other people. And if you find it interesting, you can be able to hop in and join. Also, I make other testnet videos such as this Naori's airdrop, which I'll also put the link in the description for it. In addition to that, all the links for the Kite AI Testnet Airdrop will be in the link in the description, as well as the first comment pinned in the comment section. In addition to that, every single thing that you need to be able to do will also be spelled out on the video, so just watch it completely and pay close attention. Also, I'm using my PC for this, but if you want to use your mobile device to be able to do it, you can be able to do it as well, most especially using your Metamask account on a Chrome link in your Mrs. browser, as well as using a Mrs. browser, which is much more optimized for doing testnet airdrop more than the Chrome browser on your mobile phone. But also, if you want me to do a video for the mobile version of this airdrop, you can be able to let me know in the comment section below. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So before this time, this is Kite AI Airdrop, where you can be able to see every single thing related to the Kite AI. It's a new airdrop, and their incentivized testnet just started on February the 6th. Today is the 8th of February 2025, and just 2 days ago, that is when the incentivized testnet of Kite AI has just started. So everybody who is watching this video as at this time, or just few days from now, you are still very early. So it's best thing for you to be able to join airdrops now that is early, in order to be able to farm and get more tokens for yourself. So let's quickly go through every single thing related to the Kite AI Testnet Airdrop. So the first thing that you need to do is to follow the link in the screen, as well as the link in the description, also in the pinned comment, and it will take you to their first websites for the testnet airdrop, so that you can be able to start with it. In addition to that, if you're using a laptop PC as well as a phone, make sure you have the Chrome version of your Metamask wallet, because I'm using Metamask for this particular testnet airdrop. In addition to that, Kite AI Airdrop is on the AVAX blockchain, not Ethereum, not Solana, not Thorn. It's on the AVAX blockchain, and you need to be able to set your Metamask, which I'm also going to show you right away. So firstly is to be able to go through the website, then you can be able to click on get started, and you see the information related to the Wallet Connect, which is Wallet Connect as well as Metamask Connect. But here below here, you notice that there is a small message here, which is make sure that your Metamask extension is downloaded before proceeding. So if you don't have a Metamask extension, please go through your Chrome web page or Google Chrome web page and be able to enable the extension on your computer, or if you're using a Mrs. browser, enable the extension there. Okay, so here on mine, I have already enabled the extension, and you can see it here on the pin message. Every other thing here is also part of my pin airdrops, which I make videos about as well as I mine, so you can be able to watch them if you haven't and you are yet to get started. So this is my Metamask. Before proceeding to the Kite AI Testnet, this is my Metamask, and what I'll do here firstly is, I know that Kite AI is on the AVAX blockchain. So currently my Metamask is set to BNB. Okay, it's set to BNB. What I'll do here firstly is to go through this place and scroll down to be able to add my Metamask as the network for it. Make sure it is set on Metamask. Okay, make sure it is set on Metamask. So I'll click on it here and it will show me the Metamask details, every single thing. I wouldn't like to expand it because there's not much time, so I'll just click on approve and it will add the network to my blockchain. Then it has already added it. This is the first step, so you need to set up your Metamask first before connecting to the Kite AI blockchain. Next is to go back to the website. Now you are safely and rightly to be able to connect to the Kite AI testnet. So you just have to connect your airdrop here and it will open up the extension again, telling you to be able to input your details. Just wait for it to be able to load briefly. Okay, so once you actually connect it, it will be able to tell you to automatically open your Metamask extension for you to be able to connect the same way we do when we are doing our phantom wallets for connecting. A typical example in NodePay and Grass, etc. So right now I've actually connected it firstly, which is the most important thing. Then the next is for me to be able, so right now after I've done with that, the next thing is for me to be able to sign and confirm. So I'll just press on it and just allow it to load. Okay, as you can see right here, since I've done it, I did it the second time, then it opened for me to be able to get my 100 XP for connecting my wallet. So I'll just click on continue. So I have two things to be able to do now, which is one, my X. The second is to connect with my Discord account. So I'll just click on getting on my X. That's my Twitter account. I can be able to just get my Twitter account and connect with it speedily. Okay, so as you can see, I'll just authorize every single thing related to it and it will redirect me back to my application. So if you want to follow me on X, I'm also on X, then you can be able to follow me if you want. Then I can also connect my Discord account to it. So I'll just click on connect on Discord and wait for it to be able to redirect me on Discord. Just paused for the Discord and probably it is taking too long, so I wouldn't like to waste much time. So after that, you can just be able to skip on it, and here is interacting with Kite AI Agents. Then connect, make sure you connect the same wallet that you have just linked. So the same Metamask wallet that I already have here, which is on the AVAX blockchain, that is the same one that I will be connecting for all the testnet as well as interactions. So I'll just press on got it and continue. So this is my ranking, this is the total number of points. Then you can be able to share your referral as well as join their Telegram channel and do whatever is expected. Okay, so do whatever is expected. So this is the entire walkthrough of the app. So this is my ranking. I have 0 referrals as at the time of making this video. Then these are the social tasks, so you can be able to go ahead. If you are watching it, you can be able to go ahead. I'll just say I want to join the Telegram, which is right here. You can be able to join their Telegram and it will open up for you. I already have Telegram here. Then I can just open the Telegram desktop, then join their Telegram account, which is just their channel here. Okay, so I've actually joined their Telegram account right here. Then also look at mine. You can be able to join if you want to. Then here is the thing, and it is already automatically showed up that I've joined the Telegram. I don't know why Discord is wasting time, but it's pretty much easy. In your convenience, you can also be able to do that without wasting much time. So after the social task, the next is for you to be able to link your wallet, which is what I've done. Then every form of successful referral will earn you 100 XP. Any form of successful referral will earn you 100 XP. So now we have the important things that we need to be able to do. We have some important things that we need to be able to do, which are: one is to go down here, and be able to open the tutorial in terms of the Explorer. Okay, the social tax is self-explanatory. Just connect your accounts. My Discord is taking time, that's why it was not connecting, but I'll still do it later. The second one is to open the tutorial to be able to earn 50 XP. okay, the Explorer. So explore our step-by-step quick to understand how Aero works and start earning XP effortlessly. So you can be able to just click on it and open the tutorial here, then use the nav bar to navigate through the UI. That's the navigation bar, which is right here. You press continue, then track your progress and view referrals and stay updated. You press continue, not skip, continue. Then quest, complete the XP quest to climb the leaderboard, and the end of the season your rank will unlock exciting token rewards. You press continue. Then my profile, invite people, track your actions, view feedback count, and access other important details about your journey. Then you press start earning, which is the last thing. Then as you can see, if I go down here on, I've already gotten 50 XP extra, which is also going to show up for me extra on my wallet for the Testnet airdrop. That's my 50 XP coins. Then the next is for successful referrals, which you can be able to copy your invite link and share it to people. Then the last but not the least is the interaction with Kite AI Agents. So you have to explore it within the Aero testnet and engage. Agent actions and XP can take up to 20 minutes to appear. That's for it to be able to update, even the ones that we are currently doing. Okay, so now this is the status, the total agent action, total agent XP, as well as daily agent XP. What you need to be doing is to be engaging with these guys. It's an AI, so you need to talk to it. Okay, it's an AI, we need to talk to it. So the first thing here is this interaction with the professor. We have Sherlock, we have Crypto Body. There are only 3 of them, so let us interact with the professor first. So I'll just click on professor here and wait for it as an AI agent. So it's going to tell me to connect the same wallet for me to be able to use. So it's going to be a series of back and step methods for us to be able to get this particular airdrop up and running. Okay, so we need to just go here. Since it's connecting your wallet, I can go here and connect the wallet. So it takes a little bit amount of time. That's why it will be tiring if you are using a mobile device to be able to interact with the testnet airdrop. Okay, it will be tiring for you a little bit. So it's a request for the connection again. I'll have to just connect it, and this is my message. So what is Kite airdrop? So I'll just type, who is Elon Musk? Okay, I can just type it as a message, just interaction. You can literally write any single thing out there for you to be able to just interact with the particular AI. So no interaction yet, so I don't know, failed to record the message on chain. Okay, so let's just say, what is Kite AI? Let's just put it like that, Kite AI. It can be able to figure it out since it is more like an automated message for it. So you can just write something, then it will just give us an input like Kite AI is this, Kite AI is that, and every single thing related to it. So I'll just added this one, which is part of my information. So what is Kite AI is just an information. I can literally copy it instead of wasting much time. Then I'll go to Crypto Body to get prices of Bitcoin. I'll just say, what is the price of Bitcoin? And it can be able to give me the amount of Bitcoin. Okay, so that is the price. So I've just interacted on that second part. Then recording message on chain, it is recording it. The same thing with this one, is also recording the message. Then I can come here, what do you think about this transaction? So I'll just click on it. These things are template messages: fraud analysis complete, this, that, failed to record, user on chain, try again. So I can be able to copy this message again, provided once it's writing try again, so I can be able to do it multiple times for it to be able to work. So I'll just come here and copy and paste and do it again. So fraud analysis, it is now recording every single thing. Here is still recording the on-chain transaction. Here is also recording the on-chain transaction for it. So this is like the first few tasks. I am able to complete it for the Kite interaction. So hopefully it will also reflect, because of the fact that I've already interacted with them and it is still recording it. So it takes up to 20 minutes like it says, and for me, I'll still get every single thing reflected on my dashboard. So that is the first part. We have successfully done the Kite airdrop. Then the second part for it is for us to be able to do the Kite Testnet Explorer. Okay, Kite Testnet Explorer. There are 3 methods. So this is the Explorer. I'll put the link in the description as well as the link in the comments so you can be able to join for it. So this is the entire Explorer of the Kite network, the same way you use blockchains, clan, etc. So here on out, it tracks every single thing related to the blockchain in the Kite network, since it's a testnet. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to be able to connect my wallet here, the same wallet that I used, the same Metamask wallet that I've been using. That is what I'll be using here. So I'll have to click on connect. Then to tell me all wallets, then I probably have to go down here to check the required wallets that is needed. Then I've seen my Metamask. I'll just click on it and wait for it to be able to load. Okay, so wait for it to be able to load. So I'll choose my browser and it is writing not detected yet, so WebSocket failed. I'll have to try it again or probably refresh firstly to be able to get it completely done. So I've refreshed and just waiting for it to be able to complete. So this is my network and I have to press it again. I have to press it again and wait for it to be able to load. So what we are doing in this second step is currently to be able to add the wallet to the testnet again, so that our browser will be registered. So now it's now reading my Metamask, so as well as Phantom. So I'll just click on my Metamask, the same wallet that I already have, not Wallet Connect, just the same Metamask wallet. That is what I've been using since, and that's what you should be doing. Don't skip or use another one. It will not register completely for you and you lose your token or waste your efforts. So I'll click on connect, then approve the Kite Testnet Airdrop interaction. So I've added the network here, their RPC and their details. So it's just loading. It's currently loading, and after that, the next thing after this particular part of adding our wallet to the Testnet Explorer, okay, we cannot connect again, so I'll just try again. After this part, the next thing that we need to do is to get a faucet, and use it. So finally, I've now connected my wallet to the network. I've now added it, so all my agents accounts, user on chain, has now been recorded as you are seeing it here. So because I've connected my wallet, so it's failed to update, then I can just try this one again. You can literally try this one again and make sure that it's connected for me. So I tried it again and watched it register. So this is the price. Probably it should also register again. This one failed to record, but the first one, which is Professor, recorded on the on-chain. So you just need to be trying it multiple times to be able to get it. So this one, I can also try it again. I'll copy it and make sure that it is Ctrl V and try it the second time again. So this is a complete walkthrough, not that I'm holding anything. So this one has also recorded. Then this is the last. I'll also have to try it the third time and just wait for it. So you just need to be doing it multiple times in order to be able to get your interactions complete. Since it is failed to get record, so I'll just try again later on. Hopefully it will actually work. So I've also connected my accounts and every single thing related to it, I've actually gotten it. Now the next thing to be able to do is the third part, which is to get a faucet. Okay, to get a faucet before trying your best to be able to start doing the transactions. So let us get a faucet right here. So right here, this is the Kite network testnet to the Kite token. So we need to get a faucet. All right, we need to get a first. So drops are limited to one request only, hexadecimal accounts. So I have to just copy my wallet address and connect my wallet first. So I have to use Metamask in this particular occasion to be able to connect my Metamask again to it and it has now connected. Then next is to do my captcha, that's I'm not a robot, and make sure that it is solved. So I've just done it. Then request 2 kites. Okay, request for 2 kites. This is this. So I'll just press, this is a testnet and funds and all. So I'll just have to request for 2 kites as a faucet. You need to do all these things, and it has actually successfully done it for me. So once you adopt the testnet, feel free to send the remaining coins to the following faucet address once you are done with the testing. So this is basically what I need to do right now, and I need to just use it to test every single thing related. Okay, so I need to use it to test the account. So use the buttons below to be able to add to your browser wallet extension or visit the Explorer. So add to Metamask. Okay, I'll add to Metamask and watch it to load. Watch it to load. So I can be able to view it on the wallet. Then it is showing my latest transactions and what I have been doing and what's okay. It should be here. Then hopefully my wallet is obviously in one of these transactions, since it is being done every single time in real time. So my wallet is connected and it has actually shown for me. Then also, when you come to your MetaMask and refresh it, you are going to see the Kite AI Testnet on it here, which is here. So like they said, you need to be able to send the AI back. That's once you are done testing, you can feel free to send the remaining coins to the faucet address. Okay, once you are done testing every single thing. So I already have 2 kites right here. I'll just press like send. Then I will have to copy the wallet address here. Just have to copy it, then come to my MetaMask and just press like paste it. Okay, I'll just have to paste it, then it will be able to add for me. I'll just press 0.5 kites, or let's say 0.1 kites, which is fairly small. Let's just call it 0.2 kites, then press it to continue in terms of going back and forth. That's send to the wallet address back. So it's still pending, but it has also registered that I've sent a coin or the kite, as well as received backwards. So it has now confirmed that I have made a transaction. I have sent something backwards. So I'll just have to be doing it back and forth. Make sure that you copy this wallet address so that you can be able to put it in a safe place for yourself. There's nothing much to be able to do, since you have actually gotten a faucet, just to be able to, one, make sure that you do the daily interaction in terms of these accounts, that's utilizing their agents every single day, the same way I did here, utilizing their agents, and basically explore the platform, explore it completely to check if there's any other thing that you need to be able to do. So I wouldn't like to make this video very long, but we have covered almost all of what is expected for the Kite airdrop. Okay, we have covered almost all that is expected right here. And if you just follow all these tasks, you can be able to get every single thing back and forth and is it very well. So I've added a transaction successful to the Kite AI Testnet, and this is my transaction ID. Okay, so I can just literally copy my transaction ID. Okay, copy link address, right? I can copy the link address. Then you can be able to come here and search for the transaction ID, which is right here. It is not showing the link yet, but I'll just remove this part and wait for it to be able to show if it has actually registered for me. So yes, it is actually registered. This is my account and the transaction that I've made. Okay, this is the account and it is already showing up. So I wouldn't like to waste much. So success 3 minutes ago, 97 blocks from this to that, and it has actually done. So the next thing is probably to be able to send it back, which is what is written out here, to be able to send it back. So I can just copy the link once you are done testing. So we need to just test first every single thing related to it and make our assessments in terms of how the whole token is. But I wouldn't like to make this video long, so I will just have to close it in the separate video. But at least in the separate video we can be able to complete every single thing. But here on out, it's already done and we have actually added every single thing. So I'll just add KI, added network, added successful network. So I'll just add it to my Metamask and it will just completely go like that. So basically we have done almost every single thing related. All we just need to be doing is to be doing the accounts, that's our normal accounts in terms of the daily claims and whatnot. But I'm also going to be giving a reminder on my Telegram channel for those who are there, in order for them to be able to follow through and complete the transactions in real time, so that they have a reminder. So that's basically every single thing related to this Kite AI Incentivized testnet. Please do it. Xeon gave money and other testnet airdrops can also give money. So that's basically every single thing. My name is Odis Profits. This is a complete video. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel, link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.